Sa barangay hall pala nangyari, maraming tao. But bakit po ang nag-witness, isang tao lang, hindi pa taga roon? Medyo ako, duda rin ako dyan. Kasi with all those people that was present during that incident, isa lang yung nag-witness, hindi pa taga roon. And coincidentally, he was there because may basketball game. But whatever it is, ang question nandun is, do you find it credible, Chief? Wala naman akong conclusion na yung witness niya is not credible because he might be the only one that has the, the courage to come out and to testify as a witness. But ang duda ko dito is, he's not from that place. Second, marami palang tao barangay hall, bakit walang nag-testify o mag-witness doon mismo sa taga-barangay? And the person that was killed during the time is a barangay captain. Sigurado ako may mga staff doon. Kaya nga lumabas, para mag-witness, dalawa pa. O, kahit sabihin mo pa yung isa, corroborative lang. Pero it might spark also or encourage some of the witnesses na may direct knowledge doon sa incident kung na-file niyo yung kaso. Chairman, PD, yung time ng incident saka yung investigation, are you the PD that time?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Yung chief of police, nandito din ba? Nung time na yon?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Kindly, Chief, kindly take your seat. So, PD, nung pangyayari, that was August 11, 2024, updated ka ba doon sa pangyayari? And that includes the witness.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
When was the first hour or day that you receive an information that there is a witness?
On mga month na, sir, mga October, sir.
So,
Your Honor,
August
Mr. Chair.
yung pangyayari, October.
Sila, sir,
Okay.
nakakuha ng witness.
Now, the municipal, the chief of police of Arayat, Colonel, have you taken your oath? Nakapag-oath na ba kayo?
Opo, sir. Opo.
Sige. Anyway, the incident happened on August 11, 2024. Kailan po lumabas yung witness?
Sometimes October po.
October na rin. So that was more than a month after the incident.
Yes, sir. Opo.
Okay. Now, ano ba tong witness natin? He volunteers or she volunteers?
Voluntarily po.
Voluntary. Ano siya, lalaki, babae?
Lalaki po.
Lalaki. So, he has direct knowledge on the incident.
Yes, sir. Honor po.
So, nandun siya
Yes, sir. Honor po.
nung binaril.
Yes, sir. Honor.
Okay. Hindi nakamask yung ano? Hindi naman nakamask yung gunman.
Hindi po, sir.
Okay. So, based on your investigation, paano niya raw nakilala? Kilala niya ba personally yung gunman?
Hindi po, sir.
O so, paano niya na-identify na this person, eto yung gunman, dahil kilala ko siya, di ba? Kung mukha lang kasi, kung hindi niya naman kilala personally, hindi niya talaga malalaman kung sino pangalan nun. Paano niya nakilala?
During the incident po.
Hindi nga eh. Tinanong kita kung kilala niya personally, sabi mo hindi niya kilala. Paano niya nalaman na si Juan de la Cruz is the gunman?
Nagkaroon po ng, ano, sir, yung sa Rock Gallery po.
Sorry, sa?
Nagpakita po kami ng mga...
Rogue Gallery.
Opo.
So, walang CCTV to ha?
wala po.
Wala. So, nung pinalabas yung Rogue Gallery, tinuro niya.
Opo.
So, voluntary siya lang mag-isa.
Opo.
Wala siyang companion nung time na nangyari yung incident. Walang companion yung witness?
Siya lang po.
Siya lang. Saan ba nangyari to?
Barangay Lakyos po, sir.
Eh, di saan banda loob ng barangay hall?
It happens inside the barangay hall po.
O di ang daming tao dun? Tama?
Marami po, sir.
O so, ay yung witness ba taga Lakyos mismo?
Hindi po, sir.
Oh, but why he was there?
During that time po,
Sa barangay hall pa,
during that time po, sir, meron po siyang basketball po.
basketball ng
Tournament po.
tournament ng barangay?
Basketball po. Opo,
Ng barangay?
barangay Lakyos. Opo.
Oh, konsyal, sa barangay hall pala nangyari, maraming tao, but bakit po ang nag-witness, isang tao lang, hindi pa taga roon?
Kaya yun nga po. Yun nga po.
Oh, no. Okay, ma'am. So, yun yung isang question mo.
Opo.
Bakit?
Opo.
Diba? Tama. Okay. Now, Chief, RD, medyo ako, duda rin ako dyan. Kasi, with all those people that was present during that incident, isa lang yung nag-witness, hindi pa taga roon. And, coincidentally, he was there because may basketball game. But whatever it is, ang question nandun is, do you find it credible, Chief? O yung investigador?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, sir, I
Yes, sir.
understand, sir, the reservation of the family of the victim as well as the members of the Honorable Committee. And as I said earlier, sir, I will look into this personally if I have to talk personally to this witness to extract more information with respect to his possible knowledge in this case po. And I will report to you personally, sir.
Thank you, RD. Yun ang dapat. This case should be reviewed. Kasi kahit ako, no, offhand, wala naman akong conclusion na yung witness niya is not credible because he might be the only one that has the courage to come out and to testify as a witness. But ang duda ko dito is he's not from that place. Second, marami palang tao barangay hall, bakit walang nag-testify o mag-witness doon mismo sa taga-barangay? And the person that was killed during the time is a barangay captain. Sigurado ako may mga staff doon. Di ba? Now, and the witness only volunteers more than a month after. Tapos tinanong kita, Chief, sabi mo, volunteer. Why did he volunteer anyway? Chief, why did he volunteer?
Kasi nga po, sir, nababothered siya doon sa nakita niya.
Nababothered siya sa konsensya niya.
Oo.
Pero nababothered siya, then suddenly, umatras siya.
Yun nga po, sir, kasi nung una po na nakausap natin, nag-willing siya. And then itong as reported po, nagdadalawang isip po kasi natatakot na doon sa buhay niya at saka doon sa pamilya.
So,
Chairman Paduana, please lang, para madagdagan lang yung information that para magkaroon pa ng sustainability yung questioning mo. Kasi dito sa report that they have submitted to us just now, no? Ngayon lang, nakita ko, binasa ko, hindi lang isang witness pala yung lumabas. Dalawa. Andito ang pangalan, hindi ko na lang sasabihin yung pangalan ng witness, at meron pang isang witness din na lumabas. So, dalawa tong witness. Ang tanong ko lang sa, mag-interject lang ako, Praso, pareho bang hindi taga ron? Taga Lakyos yung, yung Lakyos yung dalawang witness. At before we proceed, I saw si Chairman, si Chairman Salceda. Sir, welcome. At sino pa isa? Yes, Chairman Joey Salceda. Sige, go ahead, po. May dalawang witness pala kayo dito. Pareho bang taga ron yung witnesses na nag-appear sa station nyo?
Yung isa po, taga-ibang barangay.
Ay, yung isa, hindi taga ron.
Yes, sir, opo.
O yun, you can proceed, Chairman Paduano, for your information lang.
thank you, Chairman. Chief, magkakilala ba itong dalawang witness? Kasi, tinanong kita kung why isa lang, then, incidentally, he was only there, pero hindi siya taga roon, bakit may basketball tournament. Now, here comes, doon mismo sa report nyo, dalawa pala. Oh, ang tanong ko lang, Chief, magkakilala ba to, yung dalawang witness?
Hindi po, sir.
Hindi.
Yes, sir.
So, sabay ba sila na nag-volunteer?
Hindi po, sir.
When was that date that the first mentioned witness? Kailan po ba yung first witness na lumutang?
Sometimes October po, sir.
Hindi, yung isa.
November po naman po.
So, October yung isa, November yung isa. Now, the affidavit that you have offered or shared to Councilor Lumbang was based on the affidavit of the first witness.
Both po, sir.
Both. So, ma'am, kailan mo po natanggap yung ano?
Sir, November 19 po.
November
Araw po ng
19.
session.
Okay, so, most probably, if you cannot remember, Chief, it's prior to the November 19, yung affidavit ng isa.
Yes, opo.
Yung letter niyo ba doon kay ma'am, yung papirmahan niyo ba kay ma'am na for the filing of the case, naka-attach yung affidavit ng dalawa?
Duly attached po, sir.
Okay. Ganon din po yung sistema. Through Rogue Gallery din. O kilala niya yung personally. Yung second witness, kilala niya ba personally yung ano?
The same po sila.
Ano, what is the same?
Through Rogue Gallery po.
Hindi, pwede namang Rogue Gallery, pero kilala ng isa eh. Kasi kabilang barangay lang eh. Yung isa, hindi taga-taga roon eh. Kilala ba niya, personally, yung gunman?
Hindi po, sir.
Yung second witness mo?
Yes,
Hindi.
sir, opo.
O what happened to the second witness?
It so happen na nagtanong po sa kanya. Nagtanong po.
Nagtanong?
Nagtanong lang po sa kanya.
Nagtanong yung gunman?
Opo.
Okay. Pero, tawag dito, nung insidente, nandun mismo siya. Nakita niya.
Wala po siya doon.
So that will be only corroborative.
Opo.
Just in case.
Opo.
Kasi wala naman siyang direct knowledge talaga doon sa actual na pangyari.
Opo, sir.
Okay. So para mag-corroborate lang, di ba? Yung statement niya. Tama?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. So yung isa ayaw humarap sa pamilya, yung isa paano yung isa? Yung mag-corroborate hindi niyo ba hinarap kay konsehal at saka pamilya?
Sir, wala na po akong naging ano doon kasi November 15 po I was relieved from my post po.
Okay, yung case officer.
Willing naman po yung second witness po, yung corroborative witness.
Oh, ba't hindi niyo hinarap? Ano na ngayon? This
Naantay,
now, sorry?
inaantay lang po namin yung time po ni Madam Che na maging available po.
Sa rinto. Sa rinto ka ba, corporal?
Corporal po.
Corporal. November 19 yung pinadala, yung request nila na kausapin, that was November pa. Ngayon, ano na tayo? January na. Mga 2 months na, ba't hindi nyo pa naharap?
Pag po kasi, sir, kinokontak po namin si Madam Che. Lagi pong busy po siya sa trabaho po.
Mr. Chair.
Sige,
Ah,
Mrs. Lumbang, you are recognized.
okay, sir. Sir, wala pong busy dahil alam naman po nila yung every Tuesday session po namin. Ngayon, meron pa pong tendency po na nangyayari na kumokontak po sila sa mga kasamahan ko na kung saan sinasabihan po na tulungan mo naman kami para papirma na kay konsehala yung salaysay, yung papel. Dapat po ba yun na kumontak sa ibang mga kasamahan ko para convince sila, para pirmahan ko daw po? Eh di po ba dapat personal ito? Eh kung binigay ko po doon sa tinawagan nila, tapos nakita na vulgar, lalo na sinasabihan po sa akin na sa atin muna itong papel, natural, alam ko naman po yun. Pero bakit sila nagtatawag ng mga kasamahan ko para convince ako, para pirmahan ko na itong mga papel. Pero alam naman po nila na every Tuesday, nandun lang po yung office, nag-a-attend po kami ng session. Yun lang, sir.
Chairman. Anyway, si RD, though bago ka lang RD, di ba? Oh, congratulations. Anyway, kahit bago si RD, nag-commit na si RD. Kasi, PD, chief, yung chief ng Arayat that time, yung chief ngayon ng Arayat nandito rin. Okay, pati yung investigador. Kasi ganito, kung unwilling yung family na mag-file, you can file a case. Di ba? Tama? O bakit hindi nyo ginawa? That's number one. But anyway, nag-commit na as RD committed, nag-commit na si RD that she will review. Now, second, alam nyo ba na kung yung reasoning nyo is the witness natatakot sa buhay nila, parang sinasabi nyo na walang tiwala ang tao sa atin, lalo sa kapulisan, for their safety. Di ba? Tama, RD? Kaya nga lumabas, para mag-witness, dalawa pa. O, kahit sabihin mo pa yung isa, corroborative lang. Pero it might spark also, or encourage some of the witnesses na may direct knowledge doon sa incident kung na-file niyo yung kaso. Kasi file of the case, for as long as pumasa, alam niyo naman yan. Hindi nga ako abogado, pero alam niyo yan. Alam ko rin. Pag pumasa sa piskalya, diretso na. And you can produce several witnesses just in case, di ba? Later. Pag may lumutang, di ba? Yun yung chairman, yun yung medyo may ano rin ako diyan, may question din ako na, but anyway, as the commitment of the new RD, ni RD Pardo, as of now, Mr. Chairman, ako personally, I can wait to the commitment of General Pardo for further review, pero timetable lang po, RD, mga ano kaya to, kasi it happens August. And it has around mga mga 4 months, 5 months, no? Since August, 5 months, di ba? So RD, yung review na sinasabi natin, na commitment mo, kailan kaya pwede nating at least may substantial na steps na gagawin?
Sir, within the day, sir, I will exert effort, sir, to reach out doon po sa possible witness. And sabi ko nga, sir, if I need to personally meet the witness and again, ask some questions as to his knowledge with respect to the case of Kaplumbang. And then within the week, sir, I will personally report to you and to the members of the Honorable Committee, sir, as to the, again, kung possible po ba or at least may merit po ba yung mga information provided by this alleged witness, sir.
Thank you, RD. Chairman, as of now, yun lang po na. Thank you.